Hi, welcome to the University of Hertfordshire and a PowerPoint presentation to introduce you to the BA Honours Digital Media Design programme in the School of Creative Arts. The programme explores interactive media projects to produce rich media artifacts, visual effects using Photoshop, After Effects and Premiere Pro, devising interactivity outcomes using physical sensors, software and apps, along with VR and AI environments using software such as Unity. My name is Steve Lippman and I am the Programme Leader for Digital Media Design. The university is internationally recognised as the foremost business-facing university. The programme is focused on providing knowledge and skills for the media industry to give you the confidence and skill to develop ideas and projects that will advance you as a person and establish your journey to become an art expert. Through innovation, through participation, we wish to inform and enhance your knowledge of curiosity, of aesthetics and creative possibilities, providing you a knowledge base of current production practices to explore and discover, testing out new ideas and projects, to take formal risks. The programme is at the forefront of the creative industries. It's aimed to explore new and exciting practices of the digital environment that inform our culture and modernity for the next 30 years and beyond. The UK has been at the forefront of technological change, starting with the Industrial Revolution up into today's global environment driven by the cloud and social connections, that devise emotional artifacts that explore the digital landscape of creativity. What's important in digital media? We need to define an academic journey that enables you to discover how to negotiate ideas and technology through a range of headings and concepts. No one's saying it's easy, but if you undertake this course, you will be at the forefront of a new ideas and possibilities. There's just so much to learn. We are friendly and supportive as the technology and software requirements are unfolded to you through the modules you undertake. The structure of course is split over 3 years. At level 4, there are 3 modules of study, 2 practice-based ones and 1 theory module that lasts 2 semesters. In Design and Creative Practice 1 and 2, you discover the Adobe Suite, After Effects, Animate, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, XD Design, along with Unity, Processing and Arduinos. With Media Histories, the aim is to become familiar with a selection of contemporary media practices and debates, and explore and understand their role in contemporary culture. At Hearts, we have tutorial videos to support your learning and discover software and methods of production. We don't expect you to learn just in the seminar rooms. There's a whole range of tool sets to support you. At level 5, there are 6 modules to undertake. 1 is concerned with teamwork. The other 5 are individual modules exploring creative practice in mobile and web-based applications, storytelling and gaming, with 2 modules dealing with theory and visual studies. The Level 5 theory aims the module to develop a critical insight to a range of contemporary media practices, artifacts and debates, and locate their practices within the wider cultural context. To understand how cultural, aesthetics, theoretical, social, economic and professional forces may inform contemporary media and other related practice, including your own. In these two modules, mobile and web-based applications, story and gaming, the objective is to provide knowledge of software, methods of interactive protocols in current debates about the relationship between mobile environments, narrative and play in games and interactive media. Teamwork module explores how you function in a live project, working in a professional manner. All the group takes on roles, which mimics the industrial practice you find in the commercial houses. When undertaking a team project, students present their proposal across all participants in the group. These critical reflective points are thought-provoking, encouraging and raise many opinions shared between your peers and staff. In the independent project, you're exposed to a project proposal format, which is aimed at supporting your projects at level 6. Students are expected to explore knowledge skills to complete individual advanced outcomes. You're encouraged to push the boundaries between your content and the manifestations of your artifact. New knowledge and research and perhaps adventure is explored in this module. Students are supported by the university in a range of study skills and support mechanisms to allow experimentation and discovery of new opportunities that allow personal growth and reflection. There are a range of services which support your well-being. At level 6, there are 3 modules. The first is professional practice, a 30-credit module lasting all year. The module develops skills in job and postgraduate application, CV, showreel to support your journey into the world of work, or even further study. The dissertation is made up of 3 sections. The first is a proposal and a book review. The second is an IMAP. And the third is a 4,000-word essay on your proposed subject. The degree project is the largest module to study on the course. It's concerned with 3 assessment points, of which 2 count towards the module. The first is a draft proposal, but it's not graded. The second is a proposal, which is graded and sets out your ideas for making a practical outcome. And then the final submission is that practical outcome, whether it's an installation or an animation or a VR space, a Unity game. It is a full-on module, but the most exciting one of all, due to testing yourself to explore your creativity and beyond. The context of the course is driven by your own ambitions. Where do you want to be in 10 years? The landscape of research area is constantly growing, along with new disciplines in the commercial, film and apps, web and games creative communities. You could make work in rapid prototyping, 3D printing and sensor deployment, robots and digital systems, gameplay, game environments, storytelling and narrative across all levels and concepts. You could be a director of a games team. Web applications, design, datasets and archival systems all belong on the internet, along with artificial intelligence. And of course there are the computer and how it relates to humans. You are at the start of this revolution. In our age, we have many discoveries, including the CPU and hard drives, etc. We also have discovered our impact on the world as we have invented the modern age. How will nature be accommodated? With the growth of AI, the cyborg becomes an interesting aspect to discover and develop by artists. Our interface for our machines is changing. The screens of the future will be light sensitive and interactive. The VR and AR worlds are now becoming a reality. The course is at a juncture to explore these new opportunities for the creative arts. We are a community of digital designers and artists. Students meet up with fellow students across all cohorts on the DMD course. All get opportunities to get positions in industry or go on to postgraduate education. And we have a close tie with a range of visual effects and act companies, along with visual and moving image production companies. The staff are experts in their field. All are active researchers. This diverse group of creative individuals are here to promote ideas and concepts to you. They will challenge your concepts to make you a better creative. And teaching is informed by the research the staff undertake and publish. Students devise interesting, enterprising artifacts, from mobile interactive apps that comes in all shapes and sizes, that explore code and app design and XD possibilities, that apply new methods of dissemination, exploiting our teaching areas to test our systems that work in an interactive way, by developing toy-based projects through using Arduinos and processing. We have amazing workshop spaces with a range of new PCs that are the state-of-the-art systems, along with live projects such as ACE that explores a range of ideas and product outcomes, with our Level 5 students winning this award this year. Trips to London to see culture and exhibitions at some of the best museums and exhibition spaces in the world. And as the course leader, I would want to facilitate a context where students feel safe but are willing to explore, take a few risks, go beyond the boundaries of their ideas, truthful investigations, stories that make us reflect on our lives, that we make a difference in some small way, and be able to give you the craft skills and the creative knowledge to become creative people of the future. Above all, the team wish you to learn and enjoy your studies with us. Thank you for watching this presentation.